In this tutorial video, we will show you how to update your OTR profile. Applicants can update their information, such as latest photo, signature, documents, bio data and more, using the Update option. Let's begin. Log into your profile and navigate to OTR in the left menu. Select the latest case number from the list. Now navigate to Options and click the Update button as shown in the video. Select appropriate update type from the list, and give a proper reason of update in the comment section as shown in the video. Once the remark entry is done, click on Confirm to proceed with the update or correction. You can now proceed with the OTR profile update accordingly. Please note that the OTR profile is divided into 4 sections. First section is the basic information, where you can correct or update the candidate bio data. Second section is the educational qualifications. Third section is where you can update or edit photo, signature and documents. Finally, preview the changes and check the consent box. And click on Confirm and Submit button. Please note that your update request will not be complete if it is not submitted. Once it is successfully submitted, the status will change to pending, which will be forwarded to NPSC for approval. On approval or reject of change request from NPSC, an email notification will be sent to your registered email. A case number of update request will be generated for future reference. This is how candidates or applicants can request update of OTR profile. Thank you for watching the video.